All right, today is the day I finally got my new ScanSnap in. I'm gonna show you the difference and tell you all the things I love. All right, this just came in the mail. Look at this bad boy. My ScanSnap, it's upside down. All right, there she is, my ScanSnap. All right. Cord, helpful. This whole thing has got to come out right here. This is my old ScanSnap. There it is right there. This has been a great upgrade from the prior one, but we're going big right now. Big or go home. Look how pretty this one is. Woo! Ricoh ScanSnap iX2500. Here we go. Okay, everybody, I have the scanner installed. ScanSnap iX2500. The last one I had was a 1600, and that was good. That was better than the iX500, 1500, I think it was. Anyway, it doesn't matter because now I have this lightning bolt scanner. Watch this. This literally took me maybe 8 minutes to set it up because I'm terrible at opening boxes. But this is what it looks like. This thing is slick. So slick. I don't know why there's this white thing, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see how fast this goes. I'm just going to push scan right here. Wow. I love this menu. So easy to follow, like setting up which destination. Do you want to just have it go to the home page, scan to a folder, all different things like that. If you want it to go to QuickBooks Online, if you're scanning receipts and attaching them, anything like that, easy breezy. So it's nice, just a nice slick little setup here. That's the first thing I think is really cool, just really easy to follow. Simple button to push to scan, and it goes lightning fast. Love it. Okay, so also in the previous little video that I took, this little nugget was not in there yet. What's this? You got to scan a license. Either of those spots will work. You want to scan receipts, a smaller receipt there, larger receipts here, and in the back, of course, here, paper. So similar, it's the same as the last one, but I just find that with this one, it allows me to scan a lot faster. So that's exciting. One of the other parts of this scanner that I really like is you can set the settings up to be like continuous. So if you have a really, really thick file of documents, who knows, could be for any purpose, whether it's bookkeeping or tax reasons, you can continuous scan. So once it runs out, it'll wait for you to reload the paper again. And again, this is just so much faster than the other scanners I've had. Although I love a good ScanSnap. I don't like any other type of scanner because these work really well, especially for us who are scanning documents pretty regularly. So anyway, ScanSnap iX2500, highly recommend.